Alright, if your ASUS TUF VG259QM looks too blue, washed out, or just not as vibrant as you expected, don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you the best color settings you can apply in about 2 minutes to get accurate colors and a much better image. First, open the monitor menu using the joystick button behind the screen. Go to System Setup and select Reset. Starting fresh helps avoid old settings affecting color accuracy. Next, go to the Picture Mode or GameVisual section and select Racing Mode. This mode gives the most natural colors and balanced brightness compared to the other presets. Now, adjust brightness to around 35 for normal indoor lighting, then set contrast to 80. This keeps details sharp without making colors look fake. Go into Color Settings, choose User Mode, and manually adjust RGB values. Set red to 98, green to 100, and blue to 96. This removes the blue tint and makes whites look more natural. Set gamma to 2.2. This is the standard color level for PCs. Then make sure blue light filter and dynamic contrast options are turned off for accurate colors. After applying these settings, your screen should look warmer, clearer, and much more realistic. Yeah, especially for games and videos. And that's it. Perfect color settings in under 2 minutes. If this helped, save the video so you can quickly set it up again anytime. Thanks for watching.